In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics. By the end, you'll have your Mailchimp account sending campaign data into Google Analytics so you can see how your emails drive traffic and engagement on your site. Start by opening your Google Analytics account in the browser. Make sure you're in the property you actually use for your website, ideally the GA4 property associated with your site. In the lower left corner, click Admin to open the settings area. From here, find and select Data Streams. If you have multiple streams, choose the specific web data stream for your website. On the Stream Details page, look for your measurement ID. It's the code that starts with G, followed by a series of letters and numbers. Click to copy it. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually displayed at the top right of the stream panel or within the stream settings. Double-check that you've copied the entire ID without any extra spaces. It needs to be exact for the connection to work. Now switch over to your Mailchimp account in another tab. Once you're logged in, navigate to Integrations from the main menu. This is where Mailchimp connects with other platforms so your data can flow smoothly. In the Integrations list, find Google Analytics. Select it, then click Connect. You'll be prompted to paste your measurement ID. Go ahead and paste the G-code you copied from Google Analytics and confirm to save the connection. That's the core setup. A few quick tips to make sure everything tracks correctly. Ensure you used the web data stream for the same domain your campaign's linked to, confirm that you're working in the correct Google Analytics property, and verify that you have the proper permissions in both Mailchimp and Google Analytics. If you manage multiple brands or sites, it's easy to accidentally grab the wrong stream. So take a moment to review the site URL shown in the data stream details before you copy the ID. After connecting, give it a little time. As your Mailchimp campaigns go out and subscribers click through, Google Analytics will begin to attribute visits to those emails. You should see traffic roll in under your reports as users arrive on your site from your Mailchimp links. If data doesn't appear after a while, recheck that measurement ID, make sure there were actual clicks, and confirm that the integration shows as connected in Mailchimp. And that's it. You've connected Mailchimp to Google Analytics using your measurement ID, so you can track the impact of your email marketing with confidence.